Again, as I had informed you that I will cover the spreads. Want to explain you what is spread, and I will not give you the definition. I want to technically show you what is spread. Let us customize the chart. We see there I'm putting the candlesticks. Show grid. I don't want grid, even though we might use it for the colors, but down I'm putting red. Bull, as always, we are putting lime green, and then bearish movement we are putting red. Okay, that is how the chart looks like. Now there is a very nice retracement. This is hourly, so seems that this market might break. Yeah, sure. I knew. There is a very strong zone there. A very strong zone, as you can see. That is on a daily time frame. It is. I like there is a high possibility that the price will go up. If I can zoom a little. Let me delete this crap. Oh, yeah. So but it's breaking this one. If we check the last point, this one has break, but there is a high possibility that it will just break up to a point like this one, up to here, then it will retrace up. Okay, this was not our concern. I was showing you spreads and what is spread and how you should check spreads to know the currencies that you should buy and the currencies that you should leave. Remember that brokers, they make money from the spread. We have the spread can be fixed. Spread can be fixed, and again spread can be floating. So we have fixed spreads, then we have floating. There, floating spread. The floating spread, this is what is given by ECN. Okay, by ECN brokers like IC Markets, for instance. IC Market. Okay, this one, the other one. What is the issue? I have not written anything. I have not written anything. I am writing names instead of what kind of nonsense is this? So fixed spreads, as I have said, these are kind of spreads that we find in brokers such as IC Markets. And this is under ECN. So these are fixed, and we have the floating. We have the floating. We have floating. floating. This means that it keeps on changing. So this one keeps on changing, and we have an example of such brokers that you offer such the tight floating is we can have Pipperstone. We have Pipperstone as an example. I'm not marketing any broker, remember that. I'm not an affiliate of any of these brokers. It's just that they offer these services. There are so many ECN brokers, but I have used IC Market, I have used Pipperstone, so I think they are good brokers anyway. But I'm doing this to check the spread. Now, to understand the spread, this one, the chart is from the IC Market. This is a IC Market, the standard. But the spreads are not for the ECN. I think they are varying. So we go to the view, then we go to the market watch. We select market watch. Under market watch, you can see the spread. Let us type one pair here, for example. I'm going to take Howdy USD. Let me see. Let me type this. Then we have Howdy USD, Australian dollar, and AUD USD, Australian dollar, and United States USD. So the spread here, the first pair, the bid is where you, I will show you that. I will show you the bid. So let's have the bid. Bid is equals to Audi USD. Let's tap 66.59. You can see that it's varying, so it's not constant. 66.58 67. That's my 586. The ask, then it's 7. So the other one is ask is equals to 7. So the difference is 1. So in this case, now the spread is the difference between the two, between the bid and ask. That is where you get the spread. So here the spread is 1, as you can see. So here the spread is let me change the properties. I want to make it more clear, more shouting. The yellow will do. Yeah. So here the bid is this one, the ask is this. You see? So this is the bid, this is the ask. The difference is 1, which is the spread. So this one, the spread is floating. It's kind of floating. It's not really one. It's not fixed according to what I can see here. So that is spread. Let me show you how, if you want to see spread, especially for a tight broker with the low spreads like the IC market, the best thing that you can do is to check the is to go to the lower time frame. So here, let me go to 1 minute. You will see the spread. Let me check whether we have set the ask line colors. Ask line is red, so show ask line. Make sure that you show ask line. Now I think you can see the red. We have put the red, the difference between two. Can you see? It's very, very, very small. It's very small for this currency. How USD? Very, very small. If you can check, there is this red line that is behind. Now the gray line here, this is the bid. If you can check, this is the bid. Now the red is now the ask line. The difference between the two, you can see the difference. This gap is what we call the spread. For those who do not know, this is what we call spread. So whenever that we are trading, we should make sure that the spread is as little as possible for the currencies that we choose. So if you choose a pair whereby one line, the ask, let's say that the ask is somewhere here, where the ask is somewhere here, that is the bid is here, then you find that the ask is here. This huge difference, this one, this is what we call the spread. This is the spread now, the gap between the two. You can see the red line. I think you can see it on our live market. Our market is moving. So the difference between the gray line and the red one, that is the spread. This currency has a low spread, very low. Let me check another currency. We see whether we can check minus. I check something like GBP, something. Oh, let me check Euro NZD. And let me set the charts to look a little bit appealing. Show ask line. Okay, we are doing candlesticks. Remove the grid. I don't want to see the grid. Colors, let this one be bull. Let us put green. Bearish, and let's put red. I'm good. Bar down, let's put red. Okay. We shift this from the wall. Let me cancel this. Okay, I think you can see this. Let me zoom. You can see here the spread is a little bit bigger. You see this one, the gap between the two. You see this gap. This is now the spread. You can see the spread. So the spread is huge, especially for the minor currencies. Okay, that is all about spread. So that means that when you place a trade will start with the negative this one. Okay, the negative this. Okay, then after compensating this, for instance, if you place a trade at this point, a sell, an entry will have this negative. This gap is a negative. So this is where broker make money from, because this one is not given by the providers. Okay, so if it is an undealing a broker, this is where they get the money from. Okay, I think we can move to the next concept, that is the spread. I get a lot of questions from people asking what is the meaning of spread, especially those who do not understand. I will go direct to another strategy, a forex trading strategy. So wait to know this is strategy. This strategy is spreading like a wildfire. And it's a very interesting strategy. So let us check that strategy maybe today or tomorrow. But keep on watching. If you are watching from YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe.